TFNN, the Tiger Financial News Network. TFNN, headline news update.
Good morning, everyone. Basil Chapman here on this very last trading day of the year. This is December the 31st, Wednesday. We're looking at the Dow at 10 o'clock. Down 64 at 48,302. I'm going to talk about this peak C1, C2, this little mini double top right here, what I think it means. Look at the weekly chart, still positive. Let's go to the S&P. S&P made a new high, and that was at a peak D. The Chapman peak D is where you got to kind of monitor it to see if you're going to pull back or whatever. Pulling back just a little down 10 at 68.86. The QQQ has been fading underneath a trend line, a declining trend line. It's down $1.50 at 617.95. There are a number of high-tech stocks that are really not participating at all. Weekly chart is still pretty good. IWM, and here's the Russell 2000 acting quite poorly. It's down 43 cents at 247.58. Watching this dreaded H pattern. I'll talk about that in my show. How we take out this left side low is going to be important. Well, gold. Look at this. So gold is down 30 points. I had mentioned that there's a chance that we make an H pattern in the GDX. That's the gold miners contract. Well, we've arched over. We haven't gone underneath the left side low of 3 sessions ago. If we go under 84.89, that's going to imply that there's probably a deeper correction coming. But right now it's holding quite well. Let's go to bonds, and bonds right now are trading down 3/32. And so the jobs report, it seems like the jobs are still there. So I don't see why yields should even be in the equation, because if you're having people working, you can anticipate that the demand for money is important. Therefore, yields should be steady in the higher range. Anyway, let's go on to, we're looking at one thing that I'm missing is Bitcoin. Bitcoin, now this is going to be very important. Bitcoin is at 460 at 88,720. The sideways move can continue, but sideways is one thing, dropping is another, and rallying is another. I'll talk about that when we return for the Target Editions Hour. Check out my opening call daily newsletter. We've had a really good year. Let's see what happens this coming year. It's going to be a bit of a challenge in the first few weeks. We'll see what happens. I'll be back in a moment for the Target Editions Hour.